In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana. 5 minutes. If you reuse the same structure across projects, duplicating a section is a quick way to save time and keep your workflows consistent. First, open your browser and go to the Asana login page. Enter the email address associated with your account, then select Continue. On the next screen, type your password and choose Log In. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, follow those prompts as usual and you'll land on your Asana home. From home, open the project where you want to work. You can pick it from your recent projects, your sidebar, or search. Once the project loads, locate the section you want to duplicate. Sections act like headers that group related tasks, and they're visible in list view as rows and in board view as columns. This step is key because you'll duplicate exactly what lives under that section. Move your cursor over the section's name to reveal the three-dot menu on the right. Click that menu, then choose Duplicate Section. Asana will open a dialog guiding you through the copy. Start by selecting the destination project. You can duplicate the section into the same project or pick a different one, which is useful when you're building a template across multiple teams. If you don't see a project, you might not have access, so check with the project owner. Next, give the new section a clear name so teammates recognize its purpose. This is especially helpful if you'll have several similar sections side by side or you're creating a reusable pattern. Below the name, choose which task details to include in the duplicate. Depending on your plan and permissions, you can typically decide to carry over things like task descriptions, assignees, due dates, tags, custom fields, and attachments. Only include what's actually useful. Bringing over old dates or assignees can create confusion. If you plan to reuse this often, consider excluding due dates so you can set fresh timelines. When you're happy with the settings, select Create New Section. Asana will generate the section and copy the tasks based on your choices. You'll see it appear in the destination project, ready for you to adjust order, due dates, or assignments as needed. You can drag the section to reposition it and quickly scan that the copied tasks include the right fields. That's it. You've duplicated a section without rebuilding anything from scratch. If something didn't copy, double-check your permissions in the destination project and confirm which task details you selected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with section duplication in Asana.